In this video, I show you how to add highlights on Instagram. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and do consider leaving a like as well. And please do make sure you watch this video right until the end of the full steps. And without any further ado, let's go and jump into this video. I'm now on Instagram, and just a quick note, this guide is going to work on any type of Instagram app, regardless if you're on Android or iPhone, it's still going to work. So all you want to do is simply come on Instagram, and then you want to go to the bottom right where you've got your profile picture and come onto your profile. So once you're on your profile, then all you want to do is simply go and click on the plus in the top right. You've got that plus next to those three bars, go and click there. And then all you want to do is go and click on story highlight. Then what it's going to do is going to show you all of your stories you've ever uploaded onto Instagram. As you can see, I've got one here which I did today as I haven't used this account much. But if you want to go and post stuff onto your highlights, which is just on your camera roll, then what you need to do is go into your Instagram story just like so. And then you need to go to the bottom left and you're going to have your camera roll down here. So you need to go and click on it. And as you can see, it says let Instagram access photos to add recent photos and videos to your story. So what you need to do is simply go and add them to your story, and then you can go and add them to your highlights. But let's go and continue creating our highlights. So go and click on the plus and go story highlight once again. Then go and select the stories you'd like and go and click next. Then you can go and edit the cover, so click edit cover, and you can go and choose which picture. I've only got one story, so I can only choose from this test one, but you can go and move it to what you like, so go and click done. And then you can just go and name whatever you'd like. So I'm going to go and name this example, and then I'm just going to go and click add. It's going to circle, and then it's going to go and add it, and there we go. There is my new highlight added, and of course you can go and add multiple as well. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like down below. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.